Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is very basic. Question name is Padovan sequence. So we have three numbers starting. So I have taken A, B and C, and now I have to find now number. So I have to find the nth number. So for now it is the summation of B and C. So it's a 2. Now reinitialize A, B and C. So it is this now. On the next step I have to find P of 4. So it is B plus C. So it's 2. Now reassign your values A, B and C. On this step, I have to find P5. So it's summation of C plus B. So it's 3. Reassign your ABCs. So this at then just return your A. So the question is very simple. So we have three values and traverse from 3 because we have already taken three values 0, 1 and 2. So traverse from 3 summation, then reassign your values and then return A. But we have to take mode also, so just apply mode. So mode and mode. So its time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. I hope you have understood the code. Thank you all for watching this video.